Why are companies so money-driven, pero hindi naman environmentally aware? They will claim that they're helping our country, pero hindi naman. I will never see myself work in one of those companies. Unethical eh.
Amway was actually at the forefront of organic products. Bago pa mauso sa atin ang organic, matagal nang ongoing ang production ng Amway sa mga produktong ganyan. At ito ang tinatawag naming Nutrilite. 80 years nang tumutulong magpalakas, magpapayat, at magbigay enerhiya sa mga tao worldwide.
And from my experience, Nutrilite lang talaga ang nakakatulong sa aking kalusugan. At Amway lang ang nakapagbibigay ng 90 days money-back guarantee. Kaya sila mismo, confident sa kanilang produkto.
And aside from adjusting to the environment, it adjusts to my family's needs. It helps me, my husband, and my kids secure a healthy body.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Nutrilite ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.